everyone, welcome back Paramedical Career Academy. Today I am going to continue with 5000 MCQ series of CHO examination. Actually this question is also helpful for sanitary inspector examination. So let's begin with unit 4, that is common conditions of eyes, ears, nose and throat. Question number 1 is occurs when a gland in or on the eyelid becomes plugged or blocked. Option A, pink eye. Option B, a style. Option C is glaucoma. Option D is eye allergies. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 2 is what is the name of the tiny spot that appears in your field of vision? Option A is floaters. Option B fundus. Option C pterygium. Option D is sclera. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 3 is which of the following is not a sign and symptom of eye infection? Option A, watering of eye. Option B, swollen eyelids. Option C, redness of eye. Option D, Bitot spot. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 4 is clouding of the lens of eye. This disease or condition is usually a result of aging. Option A is crossed eye. Option B, glaucoma. Option C, cataract. Option D, retinal detachment. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 5 is which of these is not symptoms of conjunctivitis? Option A is blurred vision. Option B, tears. Option C, redness of eye. Option D, cannot see far. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 6 is what is the cause of conjunctivitis? Option A is Neisseria gonorrhea. Option B, Aedes aegypti. Option C, protozoa. Option D is Lassa Marin virus. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 7 is trachoma is a disease of the option A eye, option B liver, option C kidney, option D lungs. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 8 is all are the true about trachoma except option A eye swelling, option B eye pain, option C discharge from eye, option D retinal detachment. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 9 is what is the safe strategy? Option A surgical eye, option B antibiotics, option C facial cleanliness, option A is surgical care, antibiotics, facial cleanliness and environmental improvement. Option B is surgical care, antibiotics, facial numbness and environmental hazards. Option C stirring, safety, antibiotic, facial cleanliness and environmental hazards. Option D is suctioning, antibiotic, facial cleanliness, environmental improvement. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 10th is in most form of glaucoma what damage the optic nerve? Option A eye strain from reading in a dark room. Option B too much pressure on optic nerve. Option C too little pressure on the optic nerve. Option D not bearing prescription of glass. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 11 is in the presence of if the pressure inside your eye is higher than normal, option A may have glaucoma, option B is may be at risk of glaucoma, option C need eyeglass, option D both A and B. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 12 is what are the symptoms of angle closure glaucoma? Option A pain, option B a red eye, option C is blurred vision, option D all of the above. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 13 is epistaxis is option A bleeding from inside the ear, option B bleeding from inside the mouth, option C bleeding from inside the nose and option D is bleeding from outside the nose. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 14 is investigations of epistaxis is not includes option A complete CBC, option B is bleeding time, clotting time, option C PT, option D tonography. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 15 is otitis media is the option A inflammation of the inner ear, option B inflammation of the outer ear, option C inflammation of the middle ear, option D inflammation of outer and inner ear. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 16 is what are the true about the otitis media except option A is earache, option B is decreased hearing, option C is tinnitus. Option D is headache. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 17 is a 5-year-old preschooler is brought to the clinic due to an ear problem. Which assessment data would cause the CHO to suspect serious otitis media? Option A is bright red, bulging or reactive tympanic membrane and fever. Option B, inflammation of external ear and cyst formation on the auditory canal. Option C is sensorineural hearing loss and complaint of tinnitus. Option D is blood filling in the ear and reverberation of the client's own choice. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 18 is for a client diagnosed with epistaxis, which intervention would be included in the care plan? Option A, performing cerebral abdominal thrust. Option B, compressing the near to the septum for 5 to 10 minutes. Option C, applying an ice collar to the neck area. Option C, encouraging warm saline throat gargle. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 19 is correct regarding sign and symptoms of sore throat. Option A, pain during swallowing food. Option B, mild burning sensation in throat. Option C, mild pain in the throat. Option D is decreased respiratory rate. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 20 is correct regarding conductive deafness is option A, defect in ordinary canal. Option B, defect in tympanic membrane, ear canal and ossicles. Option C, defects in ear panica. Option D, defect in mastoid bone. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 21 is what is the instrument is used to test hearing? Option A is tonometer. Option B is tuning fork. Option C is otoscope. Option D is proctoscope. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 23 is drug of choice to treat sore throat. Option A is povidone iodine. Option B is calamine lotion. Option C is erythromycin. Option D is epinephrine. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 23 is tympanoplasty is option A, repair of mastoid bone. Option B, repair of ossicle. Option C, repair of eardrum. Option D is repair of cochlea. So the correct answer is option C. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel and keep watching. Thank you so much.